Windchill has always been a leader in PLM. Its ability to manage complex data and content while simultaneously driving innovation, quality, and compliance is unmatched. But with all Windchill's incredible functionality, engineering departments need fast, optional add-ons for their specific needs without the burdens of customizations or upgrades. The PTC Windchill Extension Center, powered by Wincom, is your one-stop shop providing ready-to-use standardized extensions created by PTC to enhance the Windchill experience. Within minutes, your administrators can install and configure extensions on any supported Windchill versions without restarts or implementation services. The center's sophisticated infrastructure extends Windchill's functionality, enabling secure and frictionless extensions to Windchill's core modules. The dashboard is designed to function like your smartphone app store. You can browse, research, and install extensions that help your Windchill program on your own. And because the extensions are forward and backward compatible, you can use them with other Windchill releases. Packaging for Windchill extensions is easy for you too. You can select a bundle package that includes some or all current and future extensions and can use as many as you please within your bundle subscription. If you add new extensions to your bundle, they are immediately available to you on all supported Windchill versions. As you can see here, there are over 20 extensions available today, and always more coming soon. The values of the extensions include validating business rules on changes and promotions, import and export automation, including watermarking and cover sheets, third-party supplier component database integrations, and more. There are 5 extensions that are free, and the others are available via subscription. All subscribed extensions offer 30-day self-service free trials with no obligations, allowing you to fully verify the value before subscribing. A popular free extension to try first is the Quick Access Starter. For those tired of clicking numerous times to see a PDF, the Quick Access Starter extension allows users to effectively retrieve PDF documents within Windchill via one-click access to published PDFs. Each of the extensions, like the Quick Access extension, comes with an overview, media support, documentation, and a section to request more information, including purchasing information and extension enhancement requests. The Windchill Extension Center is here to bolster the functionality users already enjoy through Windchill. Download, install, and explore to maximize Windchill's capabilities instantly.